Reactions coming from north and south of the border tonight after a new twist in Texas's battle for more strict border laws. In a 6-3 decision, the U.S. Supreme Court says it won't block a sweeping Texas immigration law known as SB 4. It allows Texas law enforcement officials to arrest and detain anyone suspected of crossing the border illegally. For now, Doug Dunbar has the details.
Texas law enforcement officials now have new broad powers to arrest and jail migrants suspected of crossing the Texas-Mexico border illegally. Their cases then decided by state judges. Tuesday's decision by a divided Supreme Court is a victory for Texas Governor Greg Abbott.
So all Texas is going to be doing is basically enforcing the laws that were passed by Congress that Joe Biden is refusing to enforce.
The Biden administration is suing to strike down the law and Tuesday called it, quote, another example of Republican officials politicizing the border while blocking real solutions. It's calling on Congress to pass a bipartisan border security plan currently blocked in the House. The Texas law, known as SB 4, still faces a challenge in a lower federal court. Supreme Court conservative justices Brett Kavanaugh and Amy Coney Barrett urged the appeals court to rule quickly. In the meantime, multiple law enforcement officials tell CBS News the state has not yet provided guidance on how to enforce the law.
It's not like, oh, he looks illegal and we're going to put him in jail. We can't do that. You know, we can't stereotype someone, someone from Mexico and do that.
Critics expect SB 4 will lead to racial profiling across Texas.
What's to stop a constable or a sheriff from setting up roadblocks and asking everybody for their papers and their passports?
Mexico, for its part, said it won't accept migrants that Texas officials try to deport. Doug Dunbar, CBS News, Dallas.
The Fifth Circuit Federal Court in New Orleans says they plan to meet Wednesday to consider SB 4, and arguments will be live streamed so the public can listen.